All right, just got this Hyper Tough 1800 PSI from Walmart. Got a task we gotta do with it. My Simpson gave out on me. A sucker got cracked during a little freeze we had down here. So we gonna see with this Hyper Tough. We gonna see how tough it really is. Gotta hit it with a little bit of that Pro Glow for the flex, you know what I'm saying? All right, it's like you hook up water in the back, hose in the front, drop soap in, hose, 2 nozzles, a 25 hyper spray, 1 gun. We're gonna drop a little bit of that pack in there. A little bit of that pack. We ain't got a half a gallon, so we're gonna drop just a little bit in that bit. Yeah. Shit, I'm gonna hit it with a little bit more flex. I'm gonna hit it with some of them chemical guys. Just a little bit, just a little dip dabble. Yeah, but I'm not gonna use the foam cannon. I'm gonna use the soap and foam that's gonna come straight up out of the machine. See what it do, see how it saturate. Look like we're ready. Oh, hell nah. Man, look how short that is. Yeah, definitely gotta upgrade the hose. All right, turn on. Let it prime. Yeah, let it be prime quick. Hey, let's see how she blow. Ooh, that bitch weak. Yeah, kind of weak. Kind of disappointing weak. It'll do the job though. The power is not that impressive. I mean, you can get close and get it done, but it ain't that impressive. They're getting it done though. You have to hook up the black nozzle to get the soap to come out. You got to. I don't know why, I don't know how it knew, but it knew. I mean, with the right soap though, it's doing all right. It ain't foam cannon, but you know, it's doing it. All right, so that little pressure washer, first pass, I mean, yeah, it'll get the mud off, it'll do the job. You come back, hit it with the brush, some chemical solution, finish it up. Man, underneath and stuff, man, it's kind of hard. It ain't hitting that hard. But it could be because I'm in Jackson and, you know, water pressure ain't that strong. But, I mean, it'll get the job done. $148, I guess. Hit it one time, come back, spray the chemical on, and finish it up.